All right, a quick side project this morning. Once I started on the fuselage, and that'll come up in another video, but once you put the rudder on, my ability to use my rotisserie goes away for a period until I get some other stuff taken care of. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna turn my transmission jack into basically a tail jack, and I'm got the gallon can sitting there for now. But what I'm going to do is transfer that. I'm going to make a fixture to go from here down to here, and then make it where I can level the back. Once I get the rudder finished and the elevator and the vertical or the horizontal stabilizer, then I'll change to the rotisserie again. So next step is to make that fixture. All right, got that fixture made, so it basically just bolts onto the transmission, hold that up. So I can jack that up at any level. With the headrest level, this is about where it is, and I put that 4-degree angle on there. So now we have the ability to roll this around wherever we want. So that's just a little quick video on fabricating this piece right here. But now we want to get it out of the way, move it around, we can as we work on it. These wings, the next step, I still got to wrap up the lid on that and do the slat installs. But I just wanted to, I didn't like that gallon can kind of holding up the tail for me. It looked kind of precarious, so I wanted to get that knocked out. So that's the reason for this quick video.